Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be installing the Belkin screen protector for my iPhone 12 Pro Max. As you guys can see, I just got it. And I bought the screen protector from Apple for 40 bucks. I could have got it for cheaper from other places, but I decided to go with Belkin because I love the brand. And if you guys like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like to support me. And let's get this done. So this is the screen protector, the Belkin screen protector. I got the privacy one. So take it out of the box. I got my own cloth, as you guys can see, but Belkin is giving you their cloth too. And also dust removal sticker. Anyways, I just got the phone, so I don't think I'm gonna need the dust removal sticker. So it's really easy to do it. I'm doing it for the first time with you guys, so let's figure this out together. Okay. As you guys can see, this is number 2 here. I'm gonna take it out. And then there's the plastic thingy inside here. We're gonna take it out as well. So this, we're gonna throw it on the trash, so we don't need it anymore. Okay. So now the phone, let's make sure it's clean. So we got the little cloth from them. Just make sure your phone is clean. Perfect. And the dust removal, to be honest, is useless. The phone is new, but you know, let me use it. So we're done with these steps. So now we got the clean phone here. Just make sure it's clean. This one, by the way, guys, is kind of huge, so that you know. So put it inside right here, and then what you do right now is take this thing down slowly. Okay. And make sure the screen protector is balanced. As you guys can see, it's balanced as it gets, in my opinion. So it comes usually short on the side as usual, but the last year one was the same. So, and then once you got it right here, see number 2, gotta press on it right here. Okay, I'm just following the instructions with you guys. So we're gonna press on it, left and right, and once you make sure it's well balanced on the sides, just take it out from here. So press down. And take the plastic wrap out. Okay. And that's it. No bubbles, nothing. It's really simple to install. You can get something similar for 10 bucks, but this comes with a lifetime warranty, so if I break it, I can just email Belkin and get a brand new one for free. So there's no bubbles, as you guys can see. 0 bubbles. That's what matters. That's why I love paying for quality. Because cheap stuff, they're not worth it in the long run, I'm telling you. So anyways, hope you guys liked the video. I know it's quick and short, and please don't forget like, subscribe to support me, and I'll see you guys on the next video.